Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Eroju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is whatever other people are saying about you is not your work. Let them gossip and let them hate you, because this is your life, not their life. What they are speaking without knowing knowledge. Some people say about you because of your growth or your good nature. So don't be worried about that type of people. Always stay kind and be humble and be generous, and always love yourself and always improve your growth, always improve your beauty, always know the worth of yourself. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel.